Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. It feels so nice to see. Now, I've done a lot of things for my makeup looks, but I can definitely say I never had to glue popcorn to my face before. I guess there's a first time for everything, huh? Let's start taking these off. I'll start with the small ones. Oh, it broke. That was so much bigger than I expected. Ah! Now the big boy. Oh, am I beautiful? I really hope my eye is not stained. Oh god. I think I'm good. I took it all off. Yeah. And you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, from pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact. We gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it on my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done.
Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh, I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower.
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
They're pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? I'm a creeper. Watch out, I'm about to explode. Just kidding. But you already know what time it is. Let's take this off again. So all of this is connected. I'm gonna have to do this in one go. Okay. Okay, I got this. These lines are kind of sharp though. Also, I guess it wasn't connected. Let's do the other pieces then. Guess fast is the way to go. Yeah, never mind. Slow. Ah. Almost there. Ah, that was nice. Now it's just the easy part left. All clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it's time to take this off again. Also, I am Groot. I can't breathe, and I also can't feel my face. So, needless to say, I am very excited. The mouthpiece is already falling off because I've been talking a lot, but let's just... Nice. Now it's time to take this off, and oh my god, I am so excited to breathe again. Whoop. Oh, no. There's a lot of clay on my face. Oh, thank God. I can use my nose. Be gone, Groot. I feel nothing. Nothing. And once again, this is way scarier than the original look. Cool thing about covering your whole face with clay is that there's really not that much makeup to take off after. Contacts. And just like that, I am now clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking this off, but I am overheating and it needs to go. Let's start with the neck. Yeah. The latex stayed on my neck, that didn't help. I love how this looks like bone, but it's really, like, super squishy. Okay, now we gotta take this off. One big motion. I thought it was gonna rip the whole thing off, but no. Oh no. Okay, is my eyebrow still on? It looks like it. Ah, nice. Now these step for the feathers. I can't talk. I really hope... Oh, my hair is fine. Whenever I put latex this close to my hairline, it's always a risk. Ah! Where did this come from? Okay, she's in my eyebrow. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it, it is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
Take off my makeup with me. Snow Miser, Heat Miser edition. Snatch up these lashes that I painted myself. Pull these puppies out. Oh. Last two contacts. I've been waiting to do this. Ah! What a piece of art. Ah! It has a baby! Ah! It's coming, it's coming. Ow, ow! Is my eyebrow still there? Cute! Give her a spray. I'm melting. It's going in my eye. That almost didn't work at all. I'm gonna go shower. It's me, Mario, and we're gonna be taking off this makeup. So I actually have an event that I have to go to. Not only do I have to take this off, but I have to put more makeup on. Mario would slay harder though. Do I just wear this? Be honest. This looks crazy from far away. Well, hours of hard work, gone. I'm actually really sad about this. Let's take the mustache. That came off really easy. Goodbye, mustache. The mouth. I think this look turned out really cool. I haven't done any like illusion type makeup looks in a while, but I had a lot of fun doing it. More to come, so if you have ideas, let me know. And let's say goodbye to the eyeball. Look at his iris dripping down my face. Wipe away those tears. His little banana eyebrow. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. I may be going blind. My contact has so much paint in it. My eyebrows have been through so much recently. Full-length video of how I did this on my YouTube channel, by the way. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. This look was based on The Little Mermaid and if she, you know, from Pollution, yeah. Starting by taking off the contact, we gotta snatch the weave. I'm getting crazier and crazier every day. And now for the fun part. So, for no reason whatsoever, I just glued the seashell right here, just because I found it on my stuff. And we just gotta... Okay, that wasn't too bad. All of this on my face is also liquid latex. Let's take it off. Oh, okay, let's take all of it off, not just a little piece of it, Valeria, come on. Okay, take 2. Okay, that's better. There's still liquid latex on my neck. Okay, this one's gonna hurt. 3, 2, 1. No. Okay, quick. Almost done. Finally. Nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. How did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help.
I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, it's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry.
Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. Let's start with the hook. Well, that was easy. Psych, there's way more than that. That was nice. I literally glued these things on with tape. Yeah. I literally drew them on blue paper as well. Snatch the weave. I am in love with these lashes, but they gotta go. Boop. Take the contacts out too. And now I'm gonna go wash my face. And that is all. Have an amazing day, you guys.
Take them out and then I showed up like this. He's gonna think I'm an alien. Let me snatch these puppies out. Ooh, this one. Maybe, unless it's stuck. Oh no. Ah!